How to check recently added contacts on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Then, go to the search bar and type in Contacts. Scroll down and tap on Find Contacts from the suggestions. Here, tap on Sort By. You can choose how you want to sort the contacts by from here. Select the sorting order that you want. For example, creation date. After that, you can choose the order as well. For example, latest first. Then, turn on the limit feature below. Go to the search bar below again and type in Show Result. Tap on Show Result from the options and then tap on the play icon at the bottom right. As you can see, you can view the last 5 contacts that you added over here. And then, tap on Done as shown. Following these steps, you can easily check recently added contacts on iPhone.